Happy New Year! Well, not yet, but close enough. I just figured I'd make one last vlog for the year because I can't finish the video I'm working on because of a part issue and communications and so on. Anyways, I thought I would share a pretty decent deal, I think, with you guys. So check this out. Okay, right here we have two line lock kits. This is the Summit line lock kit right here, part number. You can read it for yourself. And this is a line lock kit I got off Amazon. Now, the deal is I paid about, I want to say 60 to 70-ish for this kit. And this kit I paid $15.09 with a 5% off coupon. They gave me about an extra 75% off as of now. I mean, I've just checked on Amazon and it's currently still offered. I don't know how long this will be good for. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. But let's go over both kits real quick. You can see they both have, solenoid. This, of course, one's shiny. And they did offer the black, but it was $30. And here you can see the Summit one is black. And there's actually an issue, which we'll get back to in a minute. We'll get to that. And you can see they both come with a switch, fuse, and an activation light. Oh, and mounting screws. This one has, the main difference is there's 4 mounting holes, 3 mounting holes, and 3 screws, and 4 screws. So they're pretty dang similar. And of course, they have instructions and as well too. So I think, this is not a review. This is more of kind of an unboxing because obviously I haven't tried this yet. I haven't even tried the Summit brand yet, so I don't know if it's great. But for 15 bucks, I'm willing to give it a shot. And I may even buy a second because, as you can see right here, this Summit one, which I bought a few years back, someone stripped it out. You can see the brake fluid in there, and returned it to Summit, and then Summit sold it to me. So, awesome. That'll be the 4th part issue I'm having at the moment. I mean, I'll shoot them a message, but it's been a few years, so I doubt they're going to do anything. I'll just buy another one of these and, cross my fingers that it's good. So, I just thought I'd make a quick video, show you this deal. I'm not an affiliate at the moment, but I might re-sign up for the program here. We'll see. I'll put the link in the description, below, and you can check it out and, be the judge yourself. I don't know. I haven't used it. 15 bucks is worth a shot for me to try. I mean, well, $15.09 minus 75, so 14, but then tax. And anyways, there's something else I should mention too. I think Amazon has a $25 shipping or whatever, so if you want to buy something else, you get the free shipping. Otherwise, you can buy 2 of them or something. This is not sponsored in any way at all. I mean, I don't know who the merchant is or whatever. There's other merchants. You can find another one other than the link, whatever. This is just something I think that's, if I gotta buy 4 of them and one of them work, it's still cheaper than some of the name brand ones. I actually have a Hurst one on my Fox body, and no issue so far with it. But I know another friend who had a name brand. I only used it a few times, and we were out testing on the expressway once, and I was behind him with the truck and trailer, and the thing locked up on him. I mean, it was an interesting situation, but we got out of it. So there it is. I just thought I'd share this quick deal with you. Happy New Year. Let's hope 2021 is a good year. Keep it real.